Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to Samsung Galaxy XCover7 Pro. Begin by opening Play Store on both and getting free app code Send Anywhere. When it's ready, launch it. Then, to set it up, tap on the same options in both apps. Firstly, I agree and I acknowledge. Then confirm. Continue. Allow in first pop-up and allow all in the second one. Now tap on wherever you want to in all the other ones. When you're ready, select Send at the bottom left corner of an Android and Receive right next to Send at the bottom of Samsung. Also on an Android, using all of those categories at the top, pick all of your files you wish to send. I will go with only a few just for example. In the last two categories, Contacts and Files, you need to choose Allow a few more times to access them. When you're ready, hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. If you decided to transfer any app, hit OK in a white pop-up. And then got it in Here's Some Tip 1 to decide which connection way you want to use. To scan the QR code, use scanning icon above user guide. Close and add. Allow camera access in the pop-up and point your device's camera at the code. To input this key, hit Input Key section. Type in all of those numbers in correct order before they expire. And hit Receive button. Close our ads. And as you can see, after that, my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!